Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data science effectively. Begin by building a strong foundation in programming, focusing on languages like Python or R. Grasp essential statistical concepts and linear algebra, which are crucial for understanding data. Also, learn database management with SQL to handle and query data efficiently. Developing strong problem-solving skills is key. Next, dive into the core data science skills. Learn how to clean, prepare, and visualize data effectively to uncover insights. Understand various machine learning algorithms and their practical applications. It's vital to grasp model evaluation metrics and techniques to prevent overfitting, ensuring your models are robust. Always practice with diverse, real-world datasets to solidify your understanding. Now, it's time to apply your knowledge using the right tools. Become proficient with essential libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn for data manipulation and modeling. Utilize data visualization tools such as Matplotlib or Seaborn to present your findings clearly. Actively work on practical projects to apply your theoretical understanding and consider collaborating with peers on challenges. Finally, embrace continuous learning and growth in your data science journey. The field evolves rapidly, so stay updated with new technologies and research. Consider specializing in a niche area like natural language processing or computer vision to deepen your expertise. Network with other data professionals and mentors, and always build a strong portfolio of diverse projects to showcase your skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.